Chording Connection definitely has a variety of programs, I think, that are kind of able to cater towards any musical interest or taste, whatever it might be. If you're interested in producing, you can do electronic dance music, you can do hip hop, maybe you're more of like a singer-songwriter. We have awesome programs and mentors for all of those things, and then of course, like I said, the audio engineering program, which also teaches a good amount of production as well. You know, coaching an artist into the best performance and best take, everything from the history of music in the beginning all the way through to digital music and releasing music today. I think whether you want to be an engineer or producer today, it's definitely different than it was 25 years ago, where there was one person for every job when it comes to creating a song. There was a person who wrote the song, a person who sang the song, a person who recorded it, so on and so forth. Now we all do everything. And so I think it's important to try and think of yourself as a Swiss Army knife, and really, if you're in the engineering program, you're going to learn what it takes to produce, and if you're in the production program, any of them, you're going to learn what it takes to make a song sound good, technically speaking. And I think that's super important, because today, trying to be employed and trying to make money, it's super important to not be limited by your ability or what you can and can't do.